Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share some Windows tips with you that will make your Windows tasks more easier and less time consuming. So let's dive into the video. The first tip I'm going to share with you is how to screenshot particular part of the desktop. Like if you want to screenshot particular part, half of the screen or some part of the screen, how are you going to do it? Simply you do have to press Windows Shift plus S key at the same time, and you have to just select the particular part you want to screenshot. I'm selecting this part, and after you select that, there's gonna be a snipping tool. You just have to click there and click on save button and select where you want to save. I'm saving it on the desktop and save that. Second tip I'm going to share with you is how to switch between apps running in the background. Like if I am opening in the Google Chrome and I do have to go to the library, how can I go do that? Simply I do have to click Alt plus Tab button once, twice, thrice. Once, twice, thrice. I'm on the button like the desktop. If I press again, I can go to the Chrome also. That's the second tip for you. Third tip I'm going to share with you is how to find your clipboard history. For finding your clipboard history, you will have to press Windows plus V button at the same time, and you can find your clipboard history of the day or since your laptop has signed in. Fourth tip I'm going to share with you is how to create multiple windows at the same time. For that process, you will have to select Windows plus Tab key at the same time and click on a new desktop and click on that desktop. And when you want to come back to another desktop, just simply press that button again and go to wherever you want to go. I have 4 desktops, and if you want to clear one of them or clear all of them and you have one, you can just do that. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Till the time, bye.